This video shows how to buy shares of Aquila Energy Efficiency Trust PLC, an investment trust focused on energy efficiency assets, listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker AEET.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Please do your own research. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps, and after registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by providing an identity document. You will also need to add funds to your account before placing a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker AEET.L to find Aquila Energy Efficiency Trust PLC, then select the matching LSE PLC listing. Confirm the company name and ticker before proceeding. On the asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to ensure this is the correct stock. Take a moment to check the exchange shows LSE and the full company name. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example platform link, see the description below.